It's not my car. Hey, Kevin, we're gonna go left side, yeah? We're gonna go around the same way, roundabout. Okay.
All right, stay close to each other. Go ahead. Go ahead.
I couldn't get it to pop there.
Guys, stay on their tail. Guys, come here. Hustle. Jesus Christ. You're in the fucking shot.
I couldn't get it to pop on second gear. It would have redlined. I was trying to chase you. It was about to redline. I couldn't do it.
Hey,
Let me go just so I can